today, on this fine morning, I wanted to show you some of my favorite of all time homemade face masks. And I tried so many face masks when I had bad acne, but I had really bad acne about a month or two ago. I can insert a clip here. And as you can see, there's only like a dot here, like one here. I'd say for sure diet, if it's hormonal, it has like 70 or 80% of an effect on skin. And I will share you 3 of my all-time favorite homemade DIY remedy face masks that I used when I had really bad acne, and it helped tremendously. If you put it on top of your face, you should be able to eat it too. That is what my masks are all about. I consume all of these 3 powders I'm about to show you almost on a daily basis, and if you do it on a daily basis, I can almost guarantee that your skin is going to improve. Though that being said, we will go straight into the masks. So you will indeed need a bowl and a spoon, and I am just using my organic matcha and aloe vera. So I'm using Touch Organic brand and 100% aloe vera gel. So I'm starting out with the gel. I usually fill like a half teaspoon. It's really just preference, how much you want or how little you want, and then same goes for matcha. I just use half a teaspoon, and then you just mix it up, and yeah, it's that easy. I usually sleep with it on overnight typically, and in the morning my pores look smaller. My pimples look a bit smaller, but you could also wear it anytime during the day. I just find masks more effective when I fall asleep with them on, because these are very light masks, unlike some, and they aren't harsh on your skin. Speaking of green tea, I have my iced matcha. This stuff is so good and it helped my skin so much. I can leave a video link down below. It's my like detoxing acne away video of what I eat in a day, meal ideas, all that kind of stuff. And this is in one of them. So if you want to learn how to make iced matcha latte, you can click on that video. The pouch you like steep into the hot tea, you're not consuming the whole green tea leaf, you're just consuming the steeped leaf water, as opposed to matcha where you're consuming the whole leaf. I will link a study down below where they applied a 2% green tea to their face, and the students that got tested, 50% of their acne just diminished. So green tea is a very, very powerful antioxidant. It helps prevent sebum production and helps stop the enzyme TOR. I can under a thing right here, TOR production in the body, and I think you should be consuming it every day and putting it on your face every day if you have bad acne. So this next mask is a charcoal mask. You will need activated charcoal either in pill form or in bag form. I got both from Amazon. This one in the container was about $11 to $16, so it can get a bit pricey. So if you want to save a bit of money, you can get charcoal in bag form, which you get more for your money's worth, and it's only about $7 for a lot. And you need just 100% aloe vera gel. You could get this for $5 at Walmart or something. I just have half a teaspoon of it and add it to my bowl, again however much you want. And then I use my powdered charcoal. Both are the same, activated charcoal derived from coconuts. And I use 1/4 teaspoon, probably even less than that if you want. And then I just mix it up, and it's as simple as that. I'm just applying it. It's super, super black. And again, you could either sleep with it on. If you don't want anything to be stained though, probably just wear it during the day. It's gentle enough to wear for half hour, and it just pulls out all the imperfections and impurities. Okay, so charcoal, it draws bacteria, poisons, toxins, dirt, all from your skin by either ingesting it or putting on your face in specific areas. And then with that being said, it helps you achieve that flawless complexion, and also can help acne prone skin a lot because it draws all that bacteria and toxins to the surface of the skin. So you could be detoxifying, and then soon it will diminish and you won't have any bad stuff in your body or on your skin. Anyway, on to my next mask. Okay, my last and final mask. You'll need some full fat coconut milk, unsweetened cultured coconut yogurt, some turmeric. This is Divya brand, and it's just from my local Indian spice store. You want to be looking on the back. It's full fat if it says like 4 tablespoons per 130 calories, because that's a lot of fat. So that's how you know it's full fat. But today I'm just going to be using my coconut yogurt because it has probiotics and good bacteria in it, and probiotics are also living on your face, so it makes sense. But any coconut will do. So I just use half a teaspoon, and then again half a teaspoon of turmeric. I always use half a teaspoon for my masks. It's like the perfect amount for my face, and then you just mix it up, and it's a really nice smooth creamy paste. And this will dye your skin a bit yellow when you do wash it off, so make sure when you do wear this mask, make sure you're putting it on before bed, or you're not going to go out in public unless if you want to look like an Oompa Loompa or Donald Trump or something. Like a Cheeto. but if you wash it off with a lot of water, then it should be okay. Turmeric has vitamin B6, potassium, fiber, magnesium, and vitamin C, so it's really good for being an antioxidant. It's anti-inflammatory, and on top of that, it is antibacterial. It's gonna tackle all those pimples that have the bacteria. That's pretty much what a pimple is. It's just bacteria, a clogged pore, excess sebum on skin. By applying turmeric, you're going to be just detoxifying your skin like crazy. It's also good for anti-aging. I mean, all these masks are. They kind of hit all those categories. Turmeric is proven to reduce the appearance of acne scars over time. Might take a longer time than doing like a chemical peel or something, but it's a natural way and an affordable way to do it. It just takes a bit of time. Yeah, those are all my face masks. They all have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. And all those, of course, are ideal for acne-prone skin. Sometimes I'll even mix the charcoal powder with a bit of this powder, and then it makes a super strong mask. I don't like drying out the skin. I don't like disrupting the skin's natural skin barrier. So these are all masks that don't dry out your skin. They leave your skin just feeling soft. Your natural skin barrier is maintained, doesn't feel oily, doesn't feel greasy, all those good things. So these are the 3 masks that did not break me out. They improved it. They did nothing but good things. Anyway, with that being said, I will cut it off here and I will leave it at that. So make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any video I post, and happy masking. Peace.